could sit next to you on a subway train as an alien, and you still wouldn't notice me. Staring at your screen like it's the only world that's real, while I'm dissolving slowly in the space between your heartbeat. I got 3 eyes, honey, and not one of them you've seen. I could glow in the dark and you just turn the brightness down. I've been reaching across the aisle in ways you cannot feel, watching love go underground without making a sound. I know you're going off at the next station. I know my destination, I'm not just there yet. But this ride has been so long, and the silence has a name, and the name sounds like everything I never said. I memorized your profile, the curve of your devotion to something I can't touch on the other side of a screen. And I wonder if you notice if I finally disappeared, or if you just tap shuffle and forget what we could have been. See me just look up from the light. I've been sitting right here holding on all night. I'm not from your world, but I still feel the same. Love is the loneliest language when you're the only one who speaks it. Next station, you'll be gone, and I'll be standing on the platform in the dark alone. I could have been your home, but you were